acquiring backlinks is often seen as the most difficult and expensive part of any SEO strategy. But in this video, I want to cover exactly how you can automate now the entire process with all of the incredible AI-powered tools available to us. So the process of backlink acquisition has completely changed since 2026 because we can now automate the entire thing. So let's look at some example websites and see how they're performing over time. So you can see this website here has a domain rating of 77, which is due to the fact they have 552,000 backlinks coming to their website. So this has been acquired really slowly. So obviously this is not going to happen overnight. Their website came up in around 2021, so they've had 5 solid years to build this backlink profile, and that's allowed them to get a really high domain rating. And the results are that then you can start to get 25.3 thousand unique visits to your website through organic traffic every single month. This website here hasn't been going for such a long time. It's got a much lower domain rating with only 198 backlinks. But just from that, and this is really achievable, this website's now getting 2.1 thousand organic traffic every single month. So then if you can convert a small portion of those to paid users, that's the SEO strategy in action. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this prompt here, which will automatically find backlink opportunities for us. It will even find the contact information for the person we can contact and even draft an email that we can send to that person to acquire a backlink on their website. We're then going to use a tool called Spectre SEO, which will allow us to turn keywords into high quality articles that we can rank for. So with the two methods combined, acquiring backlinks and then generating high quality content, this is what we need to start attracting customers to our website organically. So let's have a look at how AI can automate the entire thing. So if we look at this prompt, you can see at the top, it's got all the details for the Spectre website itself. So this prompt right now would find backlink opportunities for Spectre. But what we're going to do is we'll copy the entire thing. So from start all the way down to the end here. And you can see this prompt is extremely detailed because it needs to be to explain in detail to Claude to allow us to get the best quality results. So if we head over to Claude Desktop now, what I've done is I've pasted the prompt in as is, and then I've just said to Claude, please update this prompt for the website that I pasted in at the end. So as an example, I've just pasted in this website here, drinksalt.com, which is a hydration and supplements company based in the UK. And then what Claude is going to do is going to return us this prompt with all of the business details for Salt. So we'll just copy this, then we will create a new chat, and then we'll just paste that prompt in as is, and then we'll just hit enter on this. Now this prompt will run for about 5 minutes as it does a bunch of websites. It compares competitors, it looks into the website's niche. It's a really long process that would take a human hours to do, but luckily Claude can spawn multiple agents, go off and find a bunch of information, come back, synthesize all of that data before finally returning to us high quality backlinks that we can then go after. Every single day, you can run this either manually in a chat window like this or on a schedule, which you can also do through Claude Desktop. And then every single day, it's going to give us 3 backlink opportunities. So if we go after all of those, after a week, that's 21. After a year, that's potentially 900 backlinks that we could acquire for our website. And if you want this prompt, just comment prompt below and I'll send it to you. But in the meantime, whilst this is running, let's just head over to Spectre SEO and explain how this can turn keywords into high quality articles. So every single day, what Spectre will do is it will research keywords within our niche and then generate an article for those keywords and then publish them to our website automatically. So with a growing domain rating and with organic content, those are the 2 core things that you need for a solid SEO strategy. So with Claude Desktop and Spectre together, that's how we can automate the entire process. If you don't know what your domain rating is, and you can just sign up for Spectre and it will tell you your domain rating. It will tell you the maximum keyword difficulty that you can target. And then without you having to do anything, it will automatically only generate articles that you can actually rank for based on these 2 variables. So if we head back to Claude now, you can see that the opportunities are starting to come in. You can see that it's found a website here, Living 360 UK, which has a blog post on electrolytes for women. You can see it offers different contact paths, it even has an email that we can potentially contact to try and get our website linked on their website. It even has an email that we can reach out to. It even has 2 avenues that we can reach out to. One is an email, and the second is the contact form for the website. So we can get in touch through either of these routes to try and acquire the backlink. Not only this, the prompt also supplies evidence for why it thinks this would be a good backlink opportunity. And then it drafts an example email that you can send out to that website owner. So you don't have to lift a finger here. Once the prompt is put in, it will generate all of this stuff automatically for you. And then you can pursue each opportunity every single day. And as I said, with the two combined, this is how websites like this one here have grown slowly over time until the results have started to seriously compound. So hopefully you found this useful, guys, and you can start using this strategy to start growing your own domain rating. And again, if you want the prompt, just comment prompt below and I'll send it over. And if you want more SEO tips from me, then please subscribe. Otherwise, if you want to see how you can automate the entire process of generating keywords with Claude, I've got a prompt for that and I've filmed a video about that exact topic here. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.